Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So class, in the today's session, I am going to start with the topic that is Model Test Paper 1, which is given at page number 86. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 86, that is Model Test Paper 1. So here I am just writing the topic, that is Model Test, that is Model Test Paper 1, and this is given at page number 86. So here this paper is divided into basically 4 parts. The first one is the MCQ, second is identify the picture and name the following, third is answer the following question, and the fourth is unscramble the words. So first of all we will start with the MCQs, or choose the correct options. That is, choose the correct answer. So the question number 1 is, where does river Indus originate? So जो Indus river है वो कहाँ से originate होती है? So from where the Indus river originate? The options are near Amarkantak plateau. Second is near Mansarovar lake. C is near Rohtang pass. So Indus river originate from which of these places? Amarkant plateau, Mansarovar lake, or Rohtang pass? So Indus river originates from Mansarovar lake. Okay, so the Indus river it originates near the Mansarovar lake. So the answer for the question number 1 is near Mansarovar lake. So the answer for the first question is option number B, that is near Mansarovar lake. Okay, moving next to the second one. The second is, name the type of painting which is traditionally done on mud walls. Okay, so here they have given the 3 options. इसमें से कौन सी पेंटिंग है बेटा that is done on the mud walls? कोफ्तगारी, तांजौर और मधुबनी. So which of these paintings? So these are the different forms of painting. Okay, इसमें से कौन सी पेंटिंग है that is done on the mud walls? मिट्टी की दीवारों पे की जाती है. That is Madhubani. So Madhubani painting is basically done on mud walls. Okay, so it is quite a very colorful multicolor painting, and जब जहाँ Madhubani painting wherever it is done, so no space is left, okay, unfilled. Okay, so in the Madhubani painting each and every corner of the wall is covered. Okay, so that is Madhubani, that is option number C. So answer for the second one is option C, that is Madhubani painting. That is Madhubani painting. It is done on the mud walls. Third one, name the freedom fighter after whom the international airport of Kolkata is named. So जो कोलकाता का जो international airport है, that is named after one of the freedom fighters of our country. Okay, so what is the name of that international airport of Kolkata? So so first of all we need to identify the name of the freedom fighter under whose name the name of that international airport in Kolkata is given. The option is Subhash Chandra Bose, Rabindranath Tagore, or Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. So the answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay, so there's international, the Kolkata airport, the name of the Kolkata airport is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. Okay, so it is named after Subhash Chandra Bose. That is option number A. That is Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose. Moving next to the fourth one. Who is the author of the book Train to Pakistan? So Train to Pakistan जो book है उसके author कौन है? So author of the book Train to Pakistan is Khushwant Singh. So Khushwant Singh is the author of the book Train to Pakistan. So the answer is Khushwant Singh. That is option number C. That is Khushwant Singh. Okay. So he is the author of the book Train to Pakistan. Next, who among these are awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in the year 2014? So 2014 में नोबेल पीस प्राइज किसको मिला था? बराक ओबामा, मदर टेरेसा और कैलाश सत्यार्थी. So the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014 was given to Kailash Satyarthi. Okay, so for his noble cause for saving the child from saving the child those who are doing the labor. Okay, so he has an organization that works for the needy and the poor children, those who are working in the on the small in the shops and somewhere. So those who are less than 14 years, there is a government rule that don't the children those who are less than 14 years, they can't be involved in any kind of labor work. So all these steps for the uplifting or for betterment of or for the sake of, और आप कह सकते हैं कि मतलब उन बच्चों को. Okay, so he has worked for the saving the child labor. Okay, so he is Kailash Satyarthi. Option number C, Kailash Satyarthi. So these are the answers for the multiple choice questions. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Chaliye, moving next to the B1, that is identify the picture. Okay, the B1 is identify the picture. The B is identify the picture. Okay, so the pictures are given here and we need to identify it. So this is the picture of Baba. First picture is of Baba Amte. So he was a lawyer. Okay, so he was a lawyer, but he gave up his legal career and devoted his life for treating the patients, those who are suffering from leprosy disease. Okay, so he has created an ashram where the patients who are suffering from leprosy disease are kept and they are being treated, and when they get well, they are also they also help them to get their proper to earn their livelihood, or or they work for their rehabilitation as well. Okay, so the first picture is of Baba Amte. The first picture is of Baba Amte. Moving next to the second one. So second picture is one of the former Indian cricketer and the wicket keeper. He is Rahul Dravid. He is known as the Wall. Okay, during when he was playing for the Indian cricket team. So at that time he was known as the Wall. Okay, so he is Rahul Dravid. He is Rahul Dravid. Third one. So third picture is of one of the very famous classical singer of our country. He is Manna Dey. So he has made a great contribution in the music industry. Okay, and he is none other than Manna Dey. The third picture is of Manna Dey. M-A-N-N-A, Manna Dey. D-E-Y Day. Moving next to the fourth one. So fourth picture is of an animal, okay, that it lives on land. So what is the name of this animal? This is pangolins. Okay, so it is pangolins. So basically they are found in the fields, okay, but they are now they have been included in the endangered species because of the cutting of lands and cutting of forest and land are being utilized for making the construction purpose. So that's why they are getting endangered. Okay, so the fourth picture is of pangolins. That is pangolins. So these are the answers for the B part, that is identify the picture. The first picture is of Baba Amte, second picture is of Rahul Dravid, third picture is of Manna Dey, and the fourth picture is of pangolins. Chale. Moving next to the C part, you can pause it here and note it down in your books. Moving next to the C part, that is fill-ups. The C part is fill in the blanks. The C part is fill in the blanks. Okay. So the first blank that is given over here is name the birds which have been brightly colored, triangular beaks and are often called sea parrots. So now we are talking about the bird, okay, that has bright colored feathers, okay, bright like feathers, okay, they are quite bright colors. They are they can normally birds they are black, gray, white, okay, but these are colorful birds, okay. They have triangular beaks, so they have जिनकी चोंच that is triangular in shape, and they are also known as sea parrots. So what is the name of this bird? So they are puffins. So puffins are also known as sea parrots because they have beak like parrots. Next, name the person who is known as Flying Sikh. He also represented India in the Olympics in the 1960 and the 1964. So now we are talking about the sports person of a country. He is known as Flying Sikh. Okay, so he is one of the greatest athletes of our country. Okay, and he had bought first gold medal for our country as well. So who is he? He is Milkha Singh. Okay, and he has represented India in the 1960 and the 1964 Olympics. So who is he? He is none other than Milkha Singh. So Milkha Singh was also known as Flying Sikh. Second one is Milkha Singh. Third one, which country's parliament is known as Diet? So the Diet is the name of the parliament house of this country. So what is the name of the country? That is Japan. Okay, so जैसे कि इंडिया के पार्लियामेंट हाउस, ओके, संसद भवन. So the name of the Indian parliament house is Sansad Bhavan. Similarly, every country has a parliament house and they have a name. So Diet is the name of the parliament house of Japan. Okay, so the answer for the third one is Japan. Japan. That is Japan. Next, the fourth one. Who set an Olympic record in the 100-meter and powered the Jamaican team into a new world record in the 400 into 100-meter relay in the 2012 Olympics? Okay, so now we are talking about one of the athletes of the world. So he has made numerous number of awards in the athletics. Okay, so he has made records in the 100-meter race, 4 into 100 relay race. Okay, so who is he? He is the fastest man of the world. He is none other than Usain Bolt. Who is he? He is Usain Bolt. So the answer for the fourth one is Usain Bolt. Moving next to the fifth one. which war was fought to recover Queen Helen from the Prince Paris of Troy kidnapped her from the Sparta. ओके सो क्वीन हेलन को प्रिंस पैरिस की कैद से आज़ाद करने के लिए एक जंग, जैसे कि लाइक इन रामायण द माता सीता वॉज किडनैप्ड बाय रावण, लेटर ऑन राम जी ही वेंट टू लंका and he has won back the Mata Sita from there. Similarly, there was a princess whose queen whose name was Helen, and she was kidnapped by a prince of Paris whose name was Troy. And later on, the king of the queen, जो king है, ओके जब उनको जो क्वीन थी जब उनको किडनैप कर लिया गया, so there was a war between these the Paris and the Jakarta, so not Jakarta, Sparta. Okay, so what is the name of that war? So that is the war is known as Trojan War. That was fought to get the Queen Helen free from the hands of Prince of Paris. That is Troy. Okay, so write down that name of the war. That is Trojan War. Moving next to the sixth one. The sixth is, which country has an airport named after the world's greatest Western classical music composer? So which country? Okay, so every country has some popular airports. Like in India, we have an international airport that is named after one of the freedom fighter, that is in Kolkata. Okay, as we discuss later. ऐसे इंडिया में बहुत सारे हमारे एयरपोर्ट्स हैं that is named after some popular personalities. Similarly, there's an airport, okay, which is named after one of the greatest Western classical singer. So what is the name of that country in which that airport is located? So that is Austria. The name of the country is Austria. That is, I think the name of the that classical singer is W.A. Mozart, and the name of the country is Austria. Okay. So this is the answer from 1 to 6. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay. Moving next to the seventh one. Now we are moving to the next one, that is the seventh one. The seventh is, what is the art of painting natural dyes on the cotton and the silk fabric called? Okay, so when the natural dyes are printed on the cotton and the silk fabric, so what is that art called? That art is known as kalamkari. That art is known as kalamkari. That is kalamkari. Moving to the eighth one. Name the social reformer in India who gave up his legal career to devote his life to take care of the leprosy patients, as we discussed in the picture section as well. So he is none other than Baba Amte. So he is Baba Amte, जिनके बारे में हमने picture section में भी discuss किया था. Now moving next to the D part, that is unscramble. Okay, so let's see the question and unscramble the words. So the first question is, this is used to cure the various skin disorders, soothe burning sensations and treat jaundice patients. So which the stem of which tree is used, or which is used, that is the option is they have given us unscrambled word. So the answer from the if we unscramble these words, so we will get the answer, that is sandalwood, जिसको हम बोलते हैं चंदन की लकड़ी. So it is used for curing the skin diseases, and if there someone is having burning sensation, that can also be cured from it. Okay, if someone has jaundice, okay, that is used for for curing, treating the jaundice as well. So what is the name of this tree? That is sandalwood. That is sandalwood. Okay, it is also known as chandan ki lakdi. Second one, name the Padma Bhushan Award. Who is the managing director? Sorry, name the Padma Bhushan awardee who is the managing director of ICICI Bank. So she is Chanda Kochhar. So she has won the Padma Bhushan award, and she is also the managing director or MD of ICICI Bank. So she is Chanda, Chanda, Chanda Kochhar. Kochhar. She is Chanda Kochar. Third one. In Ramayana, who cuts off Surpanakha's nose? तो रामायण में सुर्पनखा की नाक किसने काटी थी? So that was cut by Lakshman. Lakshman. That he is Lakshman. Fourth one. The last. Who wrote Booker Prize winning novel The Lord of the Rings? Okay, so who is the author of the book The Lord of the Rings? The answer is J.R.R. Tolkien. So the answer is J.R.R. Tolkien. K-E-I-N. Okay. So with this, we have completed the topic, that is model test paper 1. Okay, so this is from my today's session class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.